Okay. You be minister, you no be God. You be minister, you no be God. David Umahi, you be minister. You be minister, you be minister, you no be God. David Umahi, you be minister. Professor, you be minister. Engineer, you be minister, you no be God. We say you be minister, you no be God. David Umahi, you be minister, you no be God. Where's Umahi? You be minister. Engineer, you be minister. Coastal highway, you be minister, you no be God. Engineer David Umahi, you be minister. Where's Umahi? You be minister. Coastal highway, you be minister, you no be God. David, where's Umahi? You be minister. Na man you be. You be minister. Oh, you be minister, you no be God. When I remember Umahi, water run away my ayo. Aye, water run away my eyes. When I remember Coastal Highway, water run away my eyes. Aye, water run away my eyes. I say when we remember Umahi, water run away our ayo. Aye, water run away my eyes. No woman, no nation. No woman, no nation. No woman, no nation. We must protect our women. Yes. We must protect our girls. Yes. We must protect them from predators. Yes. Whether in office or out of office. Yes. Those of una where the Federal Ministry of Works make una not die in silence. Yes. Come out and complain. Yes. You are under a dictatorship. Yes. Minister Umahi is worse than Pharaoh. Yes. Pharaoh let my people go. Pharaoh let my people go. Pharaoh let our people go. We want to go to the promised land. Umahi let our people go. Umahi let our people go. We want to go to the promised land. We want to build a new nation. Umahi let our women go. Let us make a proposal to Master Strategist Bola Metino. Yes. From our observation, yes. David Umahi is interested in women more than fixing works and coastal highways. Yes. So maybe Umahi should go and become the Minister for Women Affairs. But you know why we cannot allow that? You cannot allow our women to be under a predator. So he will not be Minister for Works. He will not be Minister for Women Affairs. He should go back to his village. Umahi must go. 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 Umahi, leave our women alone. Umahi, remove your monkey hand from the skirt of a woman before it goes to a human hand. How can a federal minister, a two-time governor, conduct yourself in this reckless and irresponsible manner? You say if to say Natasha, you will have a bolder face. Umahi, shame on you. Umahi, shame on you. Umahi, we pour you spit. Umahi, shame on you. Umahi, shame on you. Umahi, shame on you. In a normal society, this character cannot be minister. In a normal society, Umahi is not fit to be a class rep. Exactly. If you do not know the dignity of women, you are a terrible disappointment. It is a huge shame on you. Umahi, leave our women. Umahi, leave our mothers. Umahi, leave our sisters. Umahi, shame on you. Since Umahi is so interested in women, next administration we will make a minister of women affairs. We will make Umahi minister of women affairs. Samsec and our officials from Ministry of Work, the message to the minister David Umahi,
must be that he must know that he's the servant of the people. Yes. There will be no entertaining of oppression of citizens through the office of the minister. There have been ministers before Umahi and there will be ministers after Umahi. Yes. Nigerian women have dignity and they must be protected. Yes. If a woman or a citizen complains of injustice, Umahi cannot use his office to silence them. Yes. Nigerians will not tolerate this kind of irresponsibility and recklessness because it is a thing of shame that a man will call himself minister and you can flippantly sit down and say if you want to collect the land, you will collect everything. Yes. What a shame. No woman, no nation. No woman, no nation. Umahi must. Umahi must. Thank you. There is also a case of the Nela engineers issue. Engineers that got missing. The missing engineers.
5 engineers.